Good morning to all of you, most respected our principal ma'am, directors, teachers, and all senior and junior friends. It's me Nandani Sara from class 10. Today I want to share my views and give a short and sweet speech on the topic of Holi. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated with great joy in our country. It marks the history of good over ills and welcome the spring season. It is a very famous festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Phagun. According to Hindu calendar, Holi is celebrated for 2 days. People celebrate Holika Dahan on the first day by gathering around and burning piles of wood. Then on the next day, people play with color, dance and enjoy this festival with sweet. It is a time to forgive, forget and strengthen relationship. Holi spread love, unity and happiness among all. It teaches us to embrace positively and let go of past difference. Holi spread happiness and unity. By saying this much, I want to stop my topic. Thank you.